Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get TikTok format on Capcut PC. Start by opening Capcut PC and initiating a new project. Once your project is open, locate the Modify tab, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Within this tab, you'll find various aspect ratio options. For TikTok, it's crucial to select the 9/16 ratio, which is perfect for vertical videos. Confirm your choice, and your project will instantly adjust to the correct dimensions, setting you up for success. Now that your canvas is set, drag your video clips onto the timeline. You'll likely need to resize and reposition them to perfectly fit the new 9/16 frame. Carefully adjust each clip, ensuring that no crucial parts of your content are accidentally cut off. Always use the preview window to double-check your framing and make sure everything looks just right before moving on. When you're ready to share your masterpiece, click the Export button, usually located in the top right corner. For optimal TikTok quality, select a resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels. You should also set your frame rate to either 30 or 60 frames per second, depending on your original footage. Finally, ensure the video format is MP4, which is widely compatible and ideal for social media. Before uploading, take a moment to review your exported video one last time to catch any potential issues. Once satisfied, transfer the video to your mobile device. Open the TikTok app, and you can now confidently upload your perfectly formatted vertical video. Remember, you can still add trending sounds, fun effects, and engaging captions directly within TikTok to make your content truly shine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.